Okay, there we go.
Right here, Nick.
Yeah, you did it.
Yay. Okay, now what?
Now the brute's
Mendoza, the
done.
brute cracked it.
It rolls credits. It's like, baby.
Yeah, and inside the vault they found a bunch
Holy shit,
of
the vault's unlocked.
semen samples on freeze.
Clean this place out.
You're like, what? I got a vasectomy.
Dude, there's a pipe on there. He's gonna get his fucking shit blown up.
He's like,
Oh my god.
hey guys, there's money in here.
Jesus.
Kai?
He's alive. Black Vest saved him. Hey, stay with me, baby. I'm right here. Yeah.
They dating?
We gotta get him out of here. Come on.
The vault.
Nick is really
Get
disappointed
him to
right
the
now.
wire.
This way.
Dawes knew we were coming.
Ooh.
So he probably moved all of his shit out of there.
You didn't get me.
I guess not. You are interestingly hard
You
to
are
kill.
one
We're not
ugly
done.
motherfucker,
I'm not
Mendoza. Zooming in on his
Why I
face.
believe that. I do. So let's make it easy. I'm at Santa Rosada. It's not far.
I know where the fuck it is.
Then by all means, come find me, boy.
God damn it!
These are delicious mozzarella sticks. Get to the boat.
We gotta get out of here.
Here I come. Can I zip
Boomer's gonna
line?
catch you, alright?
Boomer, Tyson's coming down.
They just let his nut body fly.
Shit!
It's like, how's he gonna brace for
Hurry.
impact?
There they are. You. Step
That's
right
how,
there. Go.
say, that's how Gwen Stacy.
It's like, guys, hold on, let me hook up. Hold two.
Look at how
What the fuck? She's like, sorry, dude. Oh, what the? Why am I going back?
So active. What the fuck?
I lost my grip. Are we stuck to the propeller?
What's happening?
Oh,
Oh, hi guys.
shit.
Freeze. You were gonna say freeze.
Oh,
I'd be
shit.
fucking dead.
Dude, I would have been dead as soon as they said get up there and swing down the fucking giant 400-foot building. Like, now I can just shoot.
Holy
Way
shit.
to go, Mendoza.
Damn, dude, that guy was. Way to go, Channel 5 News is no more.
I hope the guy used
Wait,
a parachute.
where's the. I think he's dead. We unintentionally killed the news reporter. Oh shit. Oh, never mind. It's not.
There's like 20 dudes.
And then I rapidly pulled out of bulletproof glass. Or shatterproof glass.
Watch it
Have you
fire!
seen the movie I Robot?
The what?
I Robot.
Fuck.
Will Smith played a robot hating cop.
Wilhelm Schmidt. They're like, you need to get in the now. And he's like, shut up. I'm
Robots killed my daddy.
Robots killed my daddy, and I love Stevie Wonder.
I just fell out of goddamn
Hey, listen to
Oh,
yeah.
dude, I saw that movie in theaters.
I did too.
They there's
So
a mall.
I went with my brother and my grandparents.
There's like a mall in Cleveland, right? They
Yeah.
had all these like different banks and shit, and movie theaters and all this stuff and all that shit, like fucking mall.
Mm-hmm.
And we went to visit my mom at work one day. She was trying to
Yeah.
get Chase. My grandma was like, "Hey, you want to go see this movie on Robot?" Oh, and I was like, "Bet." And there's
Nice.
previews for Alien.
Now you know what I want to see. I want to see iRobot.
There's previews for Alien vs Predator.
Uh huh.
It was rad, dude. And then I bought Spider-Man 2. for the
Alien vs.
iTunes.
Predator suck balls, but I like the movie Predators. Fuck.
shit together, dude.
I'm trying to. I just want to blow through this.
There's like a white thing coming.
Oh, I know.
Embroidered beer cap.
Hi! You alright? Hey, over here!
Remember in Battle of the Gods when Vegeta was doing that one dance on stage?
Yeah.
Funny as hell.
Dude, the friendly AI is basically fucking useless in this game. You guys know you can shoot, right?
I never discharged my weapon before.
I did my training by playing Doom.
It shows like Kai and you running, and you guys are like the security guards in the Pick of Destiny. And then rock and roll comes in, and you just go like over your face. You know, somebody in an apartment somewhere's like, turn your fucking car horn off. And there's like, yo, Ishimura, fucking USG Ishimura from Dead Space.
Get back!
I thought that was
Damn it.
How did she land right by you?
I don't know. We were swinging in circles really fast. She wasn't afraid to point the toe. That's why she made it so far. I keep thinking
At
the
least
sirens are
Tyson made it to
outside.
the boat. Dude, there's so many sirens that go by our house like in the middle of the night.
It's gonna be okay.
I don't know. He's pretty messed up.
I'll drive. You help out Kai.
Dude, you're gonna have to drive a boat.
Hey,
Maybe.
yo, where's
Hopefully, if
he
they're
Gotta go see Dawes.
How do you know where he is?
He told me.
We're gonna leave our dying friend in the boat while we go fuck up our enemy.
Priorities, people. Oh, thank God.
Did you know what I always thought was funny?
Hmm.
How far did you get into the Deadpool game?
About a quarter of the way.
Did you get to Genosha?
Yeah.
You know
Like
the-
we have to use the robot arms.
Yeah, did you do the part with Wolverine where you could just keep slapping him?
Mm-hmm.
And he's like, and that added 5 minutes to the gameplay, thanks.
I don't know. Everybody's had a boner like, well, it's only 5 hours long, or it's like 30 hours long. A game that can be 30 hours long, most of it can be fucking filler. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't take long to get a good story out.
We can't all be like Metal Gear Solid and have the record for a 71-hour cutscene. Or 71-minute cutscene or some shit like that.
What was that, Metal Gear Solid 4? That was a great game, though.
It was, dude. I fucking love that game.
Multiplayer's pretty rad, too.
Oh, dude, fucking multiplayer on 5's gonna be fucking rad.
No shit. Like the co-op mission? And you can invade their mother base.
Yeah, and they also have like
Dude, these cheese sticks are so good.
they have the fucking like 2 teams versus.
Mm-hmm. I bet there's a big ass explosion at the end of this mission because you're on an island.
You know what game was really cool?
What?
Crisis.
Never played them.
They're really cool, dude. The first one was cool. The second one was cool, and the third one was fucking cool.
Get him to a doctor. We're at the bad guy's base.
God damn
Well,
it.
go ask nicely.
You realize this is a trap, right?
Of course it's a trap. So get out of here.
It's a trap.
I got Dawes.
No. We take him down together.
Okay, look, hey, look. We have to get him something.
Then go.
This is Boris territory.
Yeah?
You know the black market doctors. He
I'll
does-
go first.
Why are you doing this? Dawes isn't worth it.
There's no walking away after everything we've done.
Alright, we're gonna stop the recording right here.